In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Tinytask. So open up any browser of your choice and then Google Tinytask. Okay, just type in Tinytask and Google it. And then once you Google it here, you will get to the Google results. So which is open up the official link, which it says tinytask.net. So that's the official website. So just go to the official website. Okay. So when you go to the official website and once you're on the website here, so once you're on the official website here, in order to download Tinytask, you will see a little option box here which says download. Okay, so click on the latest version. So whatever that's there, the latest version. So click on it. When you click on it, it will ask you to install the download the installer. So once you've downloaded, so for example here, I just downloaded it. All you have to do is double click on it to run it and install it. So that way you'll be able to install Tinytask on your system, and that's pretty much it is.